DJI is back with something small but mighty, the Osmo Nano, their newest compact stabilizer crafted specifically for mobile creators. And while it may look tiny, don't be fooled. This pocket-sized powerhouse is designed to bring cinematic-level smoothness to your everyday smartphone footage. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments on the go, this could be the tool that changes the game for you. In this video from Factic, we're diving deep into what makes the Osmo Nano so exciting. We'll cover everything from its portability and smart features to real-world performance and shooting experience. Can this lightweight gimbal really deliver pro-level stabilization without the bulk? How well does it integrate with your phone, and does it offer enough value for daily use? If you're hunting for a travel-friendly tool to boost your content creation, stay tuned, because the Osmo Nano might just be your next best buy. The first thing you notice about the DJI Osmo Nano is how impressively compact and lightweight it is. Tipping the scales at under 180 grams, it's lighter than most energy bars and fits neatly into a jacket pocket. Its brushed aluminum body feels premium in hand, and its modern, minimalist design gives it a clean, high-end look. It comes in a variety of sleek color options, making it as stylish as it is functional. One of the standout design features is the foldable gimbal arm. It collapses quickly and locks into place without any complicated mechanisms. Setup is almost instant. Unfold the gimbal, snap your phone into the magnetic mount, and you're ready to shoot. Unlike many larger gimbals, the Osmo Nano doesn't require manual balancing, saving you time and making it ideal for quick, spontaneous filming. When it comes to stabilization, the Osmo Nano punches well above its weight class. Equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal, it keeps your footage silky smooth even while walking, running, or filming from a moving vehicle. The motor reacts rapidly to your hand movements, canceling out jitter and shake with impressive accuracy. You can switch between several modes like follow, tilt lock, and FPV, depending on your creative needs. Each mode provides a unique look and feel, giving you more control over how your content is framed and flows. Though it doesn't have a built-in camera, the Osmo Nano enhances your smartphone's native camera capabilities in major ways. Paired with a capable iOS or Android phone, you can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS. What really elevates the footage, however, is DJI's intelligent image optimization. The gimbal's onboard software auto-adjusts brightness, contrast, and saturation based on your environment. It adapts quickly to changes in lighting, which makes it great for shooting both in daylight and low-light conditions. Intelligent shooting features are a huge highlight here. Creators will appreciate modes like gesture control, which lets you start and stop recording with a simple wave, perfect for solo vloggers. Time-lapse and hyperlapse features add cinematic flair without needing additional gear. Dynamic zoom offers dramatic pull-in shots while keeping image quality sharp. And panorama mode makes wide landscapes easy to capture in a single take. The companion app, DJI Mayo, is central to the Osmo Nano experience. The app's interface is user-friendly and clean, making it approachable even for beginners. It opens up features like live previews, real-time filters, filters, and smart editing tools. With AI-powered templates and transitions, you can edit and post high-quality content directly from your phone without ever opening a laptop. Advanced users will appreciate the manual settings and deeper control options too. The app also supports live streaming, a fantastic bonus for content creators, educators, and event hosts. Battery life is respectable given the gimbal's compact size. You can expect roughly 2 to 2.5 hours of continuous use depending on your phone and shooting style. When it's time to recharge, the Osmo Nano supports USB-C fast charging, getting you back in action in under an hour. One clever feature is its bi-directional charging. The gimbal can power your phone in a pinch, which is incredibly handy during long shoots or when your phone is running low. Overall, the Osmo Nano's ease of use, fast setup, and intelligent features make it a powerful asset for mobile filmmakers. It lowers the barrier to entry for high-quality video production and brings a professional edge to casual shooting. It's especially great for vloggers, travel creators, and anyone who wants cinematic results without dealing with heavy, complicated gear. The real strength of the Osmo Nano lies in its balance. It combines powerful stabilization, intelligent controls, and creative flexibility into a package that's light enough to carry everywhere. It's clear that DJI took time to refine not just the hardware, but the overall shooting experience. Every feature feels intentional and tailored to mobile creators who demand quality without sacrificing convenience. After spending time with the DJI Osmo Nano, it's clear this little gimbal is a serious game changer for mobile content creation. It brings a level of polish and smoothness that was once reserved for larger, bulkier rigs. And it does it all in a device that fits in your pocket. The stabilization is top-notch, the intelligent modes are genuinely useful, and the app integration makes editing and sharing easier than ever. What really stands out is how accessible it is. You don't need to be a pro to get great-looking footage. Whether you're capturing family vacations, travel vlogs, behind-the-scenes clips, or just shooting for fun, the Osmo Nano makes every frame look better. It strips away the technical headaches and puts the focus back on storytelling. Here at Factic, we love when a device empowers creators without complicating the process. And the Osmo Nano does exactly that. If you're looking to level up your content with ease, this little gimbal could be your new best friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, leave a comment, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Factic for more deep dives and creative tech breakdowns. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep creating.